Hello again, crafty friends. Rebecca here. I'm here with a close to my heart unboxing. So both my orders just showed up, which is why right after this video I will be filming my giveaway prize winner, but I was waiting for some items to come. So in this box, I'm just going to show you some of the goodies that I got. And I can't show you everything because some of it's from the new catalog that has not been released yet and won't be ready to order from until July. So I did get a Cool Mint Stickles because it goes with something in my kit here. And I got 3 new ink pads. So I got Ruby, Sangria, and Lemonade. Look there. I got this really cute You Are Loved stamp. And I got a whole bunch of tri-blend markers. So I've got and these are really cool, okay, because they have the lightest color, and then in the middle they have the medium color, and then on the end they have the darkest color. So obviously you have more of the lightest color because that's the one you blend with, but these are really fun. So I'm trying to build up. I'm ordering all of them. This is the blue turquoise blend. I got the purple blend, lavender, jade green, hydrangea, true blue, and the ice blue. And then I did go ahead and pick up the Pinwheel Thinlits cut. So if you would like that, it's CC 5204. And just so anybody who's never ordered Close to My Heart, which I'm new to it, all the thin cuts come on magnet sheets, which is really cool. I did get the Blue Skies coordinating cardstock, which I've already used up all my Blue Skies kit. But what I have found is that these also coordinate with the stitch together. I've got the Cut Above the Layout kit, which is Blue Skies. So, I mean, it will work for this as well. And I got the page protectors with that one. I've got my Mix-In coordinating cardstocks. So I guess I should show you what's in each one, huh? So in the Cut Above Layout kit is everything you need to make this double layout and this double layout. So I'll do an online video of, we'll do this together. And for the card, the Blue Skies coordinating cardstock. Now this has got a UV treatment on it, so I hope that you can see this when I show it to you because it is really cool. All right, you see how it's kind of shiny, but it has like a design in it. Can you see that? See the design? I think that's really cool. So I got it in this, I believe this is Candy Apple Red. Not real sure. And then this one has the UV treat, and it's just dots, and then in this beautiful pink color. And then the other side is just plain, but and then this beautiful green color, which is the stripes. I believe this is the sapphire color, so that's real cool. And then I think this is Lemonade Yellow. Maybe. Also another cool thing, like, you know how in the stamp pads it's a magnet? Okay. They stick together really nicely too. It's kind of cool. So there's the yellow treatment. And then this teal color, which I will learn the colors, I promise. And it's nice heavyweight cardstock, so I know that at the end of June the Blue Skies set will go away. So I'm not sure you'll be able to, so if you do want this, I suggest picking it up in the next couple of weeks. And then the Mix-In coordinating cardstock And I like how everything comes in these really nice bags. Like, is this, so we got this green color, and on one side I think it is, there's like a darker and a lighter side, so this pretty green color. This nice, I'd say sky blue, charcoal gray. That is their daisy pink, and then the lagoon. Just trying to bump up my close to my heart card stack. Now this is the close to my heart stitched together coordinating card stack. So this goes with the stitched together kit. And it's that green, the pink, so you get 2 of each. So it's kind of the same colors as in the mix-in, except for that candy apple red. If I don't put it back while I'm doing it, I won't, and then it'll just be a big mess on my desk. And then this is the stitched together. And I love this kit. The blue skies I love too. So here is this fun, fabulous sticker pad, or sticker sheet. It's matte, so there's no shiny on any of it, which I love. And then this sheet, okay, so there's 2 of each. So this is the front and back with that really cool green zip strip. And then there is front and back of this one with the really cool daisy. And then my all-time favorite page, which is this one and this one. And I wish that they would have not done that, but I really love that one, so. And there you go. That is my order from Close to My Heart. So go ahead and give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Click that subscribe button below. And if you would like any of the things that you have seen here, please go to my website, which will be listed below, to order yours today. Thanks. Bye.